Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to join working in the round with circular needles. So I'm gonna have about 100 stitches, so with the long tail cast on method that I'm gonna use, I'm leaving a really long end and I'm gonna cast on the stitches with the help of these 8mm needles here. So if the casting on knitting is new to you, I would suggest looking one of my previous videos how to cast on, where I show you this technique in a more slow motion, but here I'm just adding the stitches to my knitting needles to show you how to start the first round. When you have the needed amount of stitches on your needles, make sure that there is no twist and the stitches are pointing to the same direction, because you can't fix that later. You would have to start all over. So making sure that there is no twist, and if that's done, so you pick up the needle so that your working yarn would be in your right hand, and then you will work into the first stitch that is in your left needle. That would be also the first stitch of the first round. So also if you're working on a project, I would suggest using a stitch marker to keep track on your round switches. So place a stitch marker before the first stitch, so it would be easier for you to follow in the future when you're switching the rounds. So working the first stitches here in a stockinette stitch, and this is how you start your project in the round. Hope it helped. See you in the next video.